Yes guys, welcome to a brand new video. Now in this video, it's quite simple, but it's quite stressful, and a lot of people, suffer with the same thing. And that is a stupid low streaming bandwidth on Forza games. Now, bearing in mind, Horizon 6 is out now. Yes, it is a highly demanding game, so obviously, if you haven't got decent specs and stuff like that, then obviously some issues I can't fix. But if you do have a decent PC like myself, but you're still getting the low streaming bandwidth on Forza Horizon 6, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Now, it's very easy. It doesn't require changing anything in your PC at all. All it requires you to do is follow these steps. If you do like this content and you do want to see more, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and let me know in the comments below if it worked for you. Right. Anyway, you do not need to load up Horizon 6. Not at this moment in time, okay? What I'm going to do is show you how to actually make it that a little bit better on Horizon 6, so then you don't get low streaming bandwidth, and then obviously we'll load the game up and I'll show you how it plays on my computer. Obviously, once we've done all the blah blah blah, all the stuff. Anyway, what you want to do is come down to the bottom, go to NVIDIA control panel, obviously wait for that to load up. Once this has loaded up, you want to click on manage 3D settings. It's already on that, so what you want to go ahead and do is program settings. And then what you want to do is add in the game. As you can see, my game's already added in, but you can click on add. And then what you do is you find your game, like so. And there you go. Now, what you want to do is come down to max frame rate. That will be on use global setting. So you want to come down, put it on, and put it to the max. The next one you want to do is go to background application max frame rate. Do the same with this. That setting will be on. You want to come down, turn that on, and do it to the max. Once you've done that, hit apply, and then you're good to go. Obviously I've already done mine, so I don't need to do it again. You can quit out of that. Now, the next thing is how to actually make the game run better. Now, yes, you do need it on an SSD. If it's on an HDD, then, well, you might as well be playing on a brick, because that's basically what they are now. What you want to do is load up Forza Horizon 6. Now, there's a few people out there that, show you how to do this, but they don't actually tell you to load the game up first. Now, you have to have the game loaded up first, because the next step requires the game to be open, because as soon as you close the game, the setting goes back to default. And you don't want that to happen, because it's flipping annoying. So I'm going to wait for it to load up, and I'll tell you in a second, when we're in the game, what to do. Right, now you've loaded the game up. I have turned the sound down on it for copyright reasons, because I don't fancy getting beat up, if that makes sense, by Microsoft. Anyway, once you've got the game loaded up, what you want to do is keep the game loaded up, press the Windows button, the one on your keyboard, not obviously the Windows button on your window, because that's to open it. What you want to do is come to the search at the bottom, and you want to go task. And once you type in task, you'll see task manager. You want to click on that bad boy. You want to make it full screen. Well, you don't have to, but if you're blind, then it's better to have it full screen. Now, once you're on this, you're going to want to go ahead and go to details. Click on that. And what you want to do is find Forza Horizon 6. It'll be on this list somewhere. Look, mine's here. So what you want to do, look, is right click on it. Set priority. Now look, this is set to normal. They're no good. You know what I mean? So what you want to do is set it to high. Now, every single time you quit out the game, this will obviously reset. So just come into here, once you've loaded the game up, and set it to high. Change priority. And that's it. It's done. And now let's load the game up. And I'll show you how it actually plays. And yeah, we'll see how good it actually looks. I mean, this game is good. You don't want to be playing it on low settings. Yes, you can lower the settings on it, and then you might not get low streaming bandwidth because you're not using too many textures. But who the hell wants to play it on low? If you're going to play it on low, you might as well go and buy a fucking Game Boy. Alright? Because you don't want to be playing on a 2026 game in flipping 2000 and fucking 1. Basically. Or the other way around. Yeah. Fuck knows. Anyway, once you're in the game, well, you already know what to do. Is go out your garage and flipping drive your car. Basically. Now, mine is on an SSD. Obviously, because why wouldn't it be? And look at this. Absolutely bloody lovely, mate. I can't believe it. And this is on 4K, by the way. As in, yes, actual 4K. On a TV. Which is weird. So yeah, my PC does play this game at 4K. And the settings I have are high. The car detail is on ultra. And the reason being is because when you're playing a car game, you want the car to look the best. No one cares about, you know, the buildings and that. Well, they do, but they don't care about it as much. You know, you play a car game for the cars, don't you? And I'll tell you something, it does look flipping good, this game. Like the tread on the tyres and that, it just looks mental. But yeah, that is how to get rid of that stupid, annoying thing that you've had for, well, ever since the game come out, and previous Forza games. And that's it. That's all it is. That's all it is to it, you know. Sorted it out. Let me know in the comments below if I've helped you, and I'll see you in a brand new video. Peace.